actually tastes really good.
Okay. Open your mouth.
It's so apple juice. It's so good. I like it. I like it. I like it.
I tasted it.
So good. So.
Ice cream! Everybody run! Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Go! Ice cream! Aw, man. Oh, they're not on our street. Haven's gonna go try to catch them and bring them down here.
God, it went so fast I couldn't stop for a minute.
That way.
I want this one.
This one.
I want that one.
For some reason, ice cream from an ice cream truck is just better. It just is. It just tastes better, it looks better, it's funner, and everyone loves it. Let me see. Let me see what you got.
It's like a cookie, except with cream.
A Bratz one?
They have mine.
Oh my goodness. If you want a real spoon, you can have one.
Those are
Yum, Sonic! What could we possibly be doing today that was so exciting and so fun besides the ice cream truck? First Pokemon event, I think yes! We're going to Memorial Park. You guys excited to go Pokemon hunting? Pokemon, Pokemon, Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Aw, John's all tired.
Nope. God damn it. Trying to end it before you caught it.
What a terrible time for your car to break down. Aw, it's so nice that that guy's helping them. Whole entire rainbow, girls, look. Hanging out downtown playing some Pokemon, and there are tons of people. We are so excited to be like hanging out with all these people and all these Pokemon players. It is awesome. Ooh, Pokemon. So John and I have been Pokemon hunting all night. My phone died and I'm really sad about it. But we got a lot of great Pokemon. I can't wait to go home and like sort through them and figure out which ones are which and do my upgrades. I'm almost to level 16. Well, I had a super great night last night. I hope you guys had a really good day just like we did. And as always, get your smile on. Bye. 1, 2, 3. Doing a front flip.